Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I get a lot of questions from friends, family, and some people I know about this question, how I edited my video for YouTube channel and what kind of app I use for my thumbnail because they said my thumbnail is very nice. So they thought I'm using my computer for my thumbnails, but I'm using PixArt for my thumbnail. So today's video, I want to show you guys, especially for the beginner YouTuber like me, how to use PixArt for your thumbnail. So keep on watching.
So guys, if you don't have your PixArt yet, then go ahead and install your PixArt. So if you are an Android user, then go ahead, go to your Play Store. And if you are an Apple user, then go ahead, go to your iTunes. So because I am an Android user, so I will go to my Play Store. Then here, click PixArt or type PixArt because I already typed PixArt for you guys. So I have here the PixArt. So this is how the PixArt look. And because I have my PixArt already downloaded, so I don't have to download it again. So what I have to do is just exit from here and then go to my PixArt. Here you will see down here the plus sign. Go ahead and click on that. Here you will see all the photos of my videos, and here you have the collage and templates and backgrounds. So a lot of them actually, sorry for the delay. So a lot of them. And if you scroll it till at the bottom and still can't find any backgrounds that you want to use for your thumbnail, then go ahead and exit from here and then go to your Google Chrome or just Google. So let's say Google, and let's say background. Okay, I have already background here, and then go to your image, and here, okay, this is nice. So okay, I will use this one, and then press and then see download image, download it, then exit from here and go back to your PixArt, and then click the plus sign. Here you will see the background that you just downloaded from the Google. So click on tools, crop, and here down here you will see the sizes, and because you want to use it for your YouTube channel, for your thumbnail, then go ahead, click on YouTube. So here you can choose which part you want to use for your thumbnail. You can use this, you can use that. So I think I want to use the more pink, so I will take that or like that. I don't know, I think I will. Okay, this is nice. So if you're happy with your background, then go ahead and click the check sign. And you can also put some stickers if you want. Okay, that takes so long. Okay, I don't want to use sticker. So just take or add some photo. Photos. I want to add, okay, let's see. Okay, let's say I want this photo, and click add. And if you want to clean the background of this picture, you can do that by clicking the scissor cut off. and then click person. And then click preview if you want to see if everything is clean or cleaned up for you, like that. So if you're happy with the how it looks, then go ahead. I think I don't like this arm, so I just want to make it disappear, so like that. I don't have arm anymore. Okay, then put it back. Okay, I think like that. Okay, 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 let's say like that. Okay, so if you're happy with that, then go ahead and click on save. And then if you want to put some shadow, then go ahead, put some shadow, or you can also put some border like that. You can change some color like that, or just white, gray. So I don't like that, so I will just put some shadow. So shadow. Oh no, I don't like this card. Sorry guys if I make so go back to your picture. So where's picture? Okay, this picture, add. Okay, and then clean it up. Okay, I don't like the arms, so like that. Preview, put back some arm, like so. Okay, and then save, and then shadow. Okay, shadow. So you can make it big. You can put it here if you want, or you can flip it, put it here if you want. I think it's nice here, like that. So if you're happy with that, then go ahead and click the check sign. Okay, and then if you want to add some text, then go ahead and click the text. Okay, let's say what will I say? Okay, let's say happy weekend. Okay, happy weekend, like that. And then click on the check sign. So you can also change the font. You can change it like that, like that, like that. So I love this one, so I will stay with that. You can also change the color if you want. This color, this color, this red, that as well. I think this is also nice, so I will use this. And then put some stroke if you want, black, like that, or white. So this is nice, so I will use white. So let's say you're happy with your text, your picture, your background, then go ahead and click on the check sign, and then the arrow, and then the save, and then save picture on your device, and then gallery, and then done. So go ahead and exit from your PixArt. So guys, if you want to put a thumbnail on your YouTube channel, you have to install your YT Studio also. So if you haven't installed your YT Studio yet, so go ahead and install that first. So this is how YT Studio look. So this is all my videos with my thumbnail. So I don't have any videos here without thumbnail. So let's say I will choose something here that I want to change thumbnail. So let's say I want to choose this one to change it. So click on the pen sign here, and then the pen sign here again, and then click on change. And then this is the thumbnail that you just made. So click on that and then click on select. And the last part that you have to do is save. And then to see if you success with your thumbnail. So this is it. Here's it. So simple, guys. So this is it. So itsy bitsy, right? So now you know how to make your own thumbnail.
So that's it, guys. So it's not so difficult using PixArt for your thumbnail. So I hope I do give some tips and tricks how to use PixArt. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell as well so you're always updated to my next video. So thank you so much, guys. See you next time. Bye.